Hello, AlgoTrades followers. It is the week of Monday, June the 8th. Getting ready for a week of price action. We saw equities last week continue to correct and pull back. And it looks as though we've had a little bit of a three-wave correction here. We've had an initial drop, we've had a bounce, and it's been working its way down to some new lows. And we did see a nice little spike low there that we covered very quickly. That could be a signal that we are right at the end of this sell-off. Now we're seeing equities trade slightly lower this morning, down around the 88 level, down around here. We might see a little bit of a final washout, but we are getting to a point here where we could see a sharp rebound and come back up to test the underneath the 20-day moving average around the 20, 11, 10 mark, somewhere up here. And of course, this is also going to coincide with right through the heart of this consolidation last week, and of course right through the tops of this previous consolidation through here. So that's going to be interesting to see if we get a signal here and end up getting a long play. Now that being said, they're longer on the longer term chart. We're at a pretty critical support zone down here at the lower end of a trading range. We have a long-term support trend line in the SP 500, and of course, if we close below this level, it could be a very weak sign. The trend could flip, and we could see a very strong drop in the equities market. So we're at a pretty critical level here with the equities market. We do need to find a bottom here, or else the bottom is going to fall out, and we are going to see a very sharp decline, I think, in equities. That could happen very quickly within a few sessions, depending on where the price closes over the next day or two here. Looking at the overall sentiment of the market using this little indicator that I created up here using NYSE down volume divided by up volume. When we get spikes in this indicator, spikes over 3, so you can see here's an indicator of 5. So we've had these significant spikes of fear. Even these little days here, we did see some fear in the market, but these standalone days are pretty important. That's when we see panic hit the market, and that's when we see the market have these sharp drops in price. Of course, we've seen another sharp drop. We had another sharp drop there late last week. And we're going to see if we get a little bit more of a washout here with a potential low. Usually this works when you see this spike up, when fear hits the market. Once that downward momentum starts to stall out, you usually see the market rebound. And it's kind of the fear index in a different way, that when there's fear in the market and the trend is up, we want to look to get into a potential long position for these sharp rebounds in price action that we see happen over and over again. So that is what we saw there late last week. I think we could see a potential rebound here for a significant pop in price going forward. Overall, we're just kind of waiting. The overall trend here is trading slightly higher. The trend is up. We've got green bars. You can see it's kind of been flirting through this choppy range here, flipping to a neutral market condition. Today, depending how the market gaps a little bit lower, trades lower, it might go orange again today, giving us a neutral bias on the market, but we are down into this key middle zone here, high volume support, and we'll see if we get some type of signal and potential sharp rebound in price today. Anyways, that's it for this week. We'll see how things unfold. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.